Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Ating silipin ang venue solo concert at Grand Fans Day ni Pablo sa The Crossroads Center. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Quezon City. Napakagalante, luxurious looks at fancy na talaga namang pangmalapitan mong makikita at makakausap at ma-eye to eye ang ating pinunong Pablo na kung saan kakanta siya at syempre magbahagi ng quote ng buhay at masaksihan ninyo kung anong klaseng mayroong tao, mayroong personality itong si Pablo. At syempre one-on-one at eye-to-eye kasama ang 18 at ang kanyang mga tagahanga at supporters. By the way, ang The Crossroads Center ay mayroong 2,200 katao capacity na makapanood at ito ay located exactly sa Triangle, Quezon City sa Manila. Samantala, basahin natin ang mga komento at reaksyon ng mga fans, 18 at mga silent supporters ng ating pinuno. Excited ang lahat sa solo concert ni Pablo. Done na, tapos na ang solo concert ni Ken na may pamagat na Soul 4 at syempre kay Justin, Dahon at heto nga, currently with pinunong Pablo at Joss at Stel na lang ang kulang. Sana this year matapos ang kanilang kanya-kanyang blessings at proyekto matapos ang taong ito, 2026.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to...
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.